Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful Zaatar cake. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect bake every time. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to mixing the batter with care. Finally, we'll bake this savory treat to golden perfection, ready for you to enjoy. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this unique and flavorful dessert. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. For the liquids, have 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil and 1 cup of milk ready. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a small pinch of salt. The stars of the show are 3 tablespoons of aromatic zaatar and 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently beat the eggs, then stir in the olive oil and milk until smooth. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing just until combined. Finally, fold in the 3 tablespoons of zaatar and 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. It's time to bake your delicious zaatar cake. Pour the batter evenly into a greased 9-inch round baking pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade savory zaatar cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.